Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am here with the important questions for the module 2, that is list dictionaries and structuring data. And the first question is define list, explain that lists are mutable, and that have been asked for the 7 marks. And the second question is here I have clubbed all the following list method. Okay, so this is you can see how big it is, and don't worry, here I have clubbed this, that's it. And the second question is explain the following list methods with example, that is index, negative indexing, slicing, append, insert, remove, pop, sort, reverse, list concatenation and replication, the len function, sum, maximum, minimum, or they also ask like this also, that is explain the methods of list data types in Python for the following operators with suitable code snippet for each, that is count, in operation, not in operation, adding value to the list and removing value from a list, and finding a value in a list, sorting the value in a list, reversing a value in a list. And these are very important, which may ask for 10 marks. So please go through all these list methods. And the next question is explain augmented shorthand assignment operator with an example. This is also an important question. And the next question is define tuple. How is tuple different from list? Which function is used to convert list to tuple? Also show that the tuple are immutable. So there you should explain, or you should define what is tuple, and you should explain how tuple is different from list. If we consider a list in Python, we can change the values in the list, but this is not in same case of tuple. So if we are going to add the values in the tuple or variables in tuple, we cannot change. Once we have entered the values or the variables in tuple, we cannot change like a list. So this is what the difference between the tuple and list in the Python. And you should explain which function is used to convert the list to tuple, and you should also show that tuples are immutable with suitable example. Okay, and the next question is explain copy and deep copy with suitable program example. This is also an important question. You can expect this question for this time. And explain random choice and random shuffle function with an example. And the next question is define dictionary, differentiate between list and dictionary, also list the merits of dictionary over list. Here you should write the definition of the dictionary, and you should differentiate between the dictionary and you should list the merits of dictionary, not demerits, the merits of dictionary over the list. How dictionary is differ from list. And the next question is explain keys, values, items, get function, set default function with the help of dictionary with suitable example, with suitable program example. With this may be asked for the 10 marks. And when you come across the dictionary part, this is very important. And the last question is define pretty printing. How does pretty print work in Python with an example? So you have only 9 questions from the second module, so please go through all these questions, which is very important, and try to score good marks in this module, as Python is easy when we compare to C programming. So please go through all these questions, and thank you for watching, and share this video to your friends as much as possible. Thank you.